Good evening, YouTube. This is the Nemesis Coupe with another YouTube video. And, after 10 long fucking months of pain, misery, suffering, and bullshit, got myself a new car. Traded the Genesis in, got $4,500 for it, after incentives and everything were added onto it. I forget why they gave me a 2017. Sorry, I was actually also reading a text message my buddy just sent me that showed up on the phone. But, I was trying to process what he was saying. No, so I got a 2017 Kia Optima LX, 2.4-liter double trouble overhead cam, 185 horsepower with, cute little tiny touchscreen and Bluetooth and fucking cruise control and Shiftronic drive mode, sport, eco, fucking Prius bullshit, goddamn shit. Yeah. It's a nice car. I like it for, for what it is, for being a base model Optima. I like it a lot. I actually went to... Not Savage Kia. I went to Out in Kia, out on 61, right? Like right before you get to Cabela's. They're right there at that weird V-looking intersection thing right there. But yeah, all in all, I'm very happy with it. Granted, it's not a coupe, so I guess you can call me Nemesis Sedan. But no, it's still going to be Nemesis Coupe. I'm still going to get a Genesis Coupe at some point here later on down the road, but for now, I'm just going to work my ass off and, well, work now, play later, as my girlfriend says. Let me, switch the camera around, and I'll give you guys a quick little mini tour of the car, and I'll do an in-depth tour, probably, next Monday or something like that, next time I have off, but, yeah. So here we have the interior of said, Kia, with my little switchblade key that I'm gonna rob you with. Yeah, it's nice. I like it. Let me find the hole here. That is a touchscreen. I can just do things with it. Got a cute little storage thing for whatever I want to put in there. 12-volt little power port things. That I have the special Hyundai dual aux and USB plug-in cord thing. It's got different modes, obviously. You got eco, sport, all that shit, and you can shift it over and pretend you're driving manual with that bullshit. Got decent amount of storage space. The back is actually quite roomy. The camera doesn't do it justice. But yeah, like I said, all in all, I'm happy with it. I'm very pleased, and this will be, I hope, a good investment. And yeah, so now I guess we're gonna move to the outside of the car. There is the outside of said car. Actually, so that you can see the inside. Ah, shit. I locked it. Probably look like a dumbass out here with my phone. But yeah, like I said, the back is quite spacious. And quite a handsome fella. I like it. I'm happy. I don't need no race car. I got my little Kia. So, good enough for me. Yep. I'm happy. After 10 fucking months, I think I deserve this shit. One of the things that I do like about this car is that there is a large trunk where I can fit probably 4 bodies, maybe 5 if I squeeze them hard enough. Squeeze hard. Oh, what the fuck is this? Is there's no goddamn spare. Fucking Kia, god damn it, not giving me a fucking spare. Alright, well, now my day is ruined. I don't have a spare. Nah, it is what it is.
Rain down, stop my breath, drop my spray, put it in the box, I say.